Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bose Mini SoundLink speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily just disconnect from this device. At first we have to scroll down to a control panel and then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. Now we have to click on this info icon over there. And now, as you can see at the bottom is disconnect. We have to click on it.
Test iPhone disconnected.
And now we are disconnected. To connect back, we have to click on this device again.
Connected to test iPhone and Galaxy S21 FE 5G.
That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.